Attention, first two steps to a passionate life, and then no tension. And this is the most important part of the formula. And this is where everybody, I would say this is where about 80% of the people kind of space. They don't get this part. No tension. So you know your passions, you put your attention on them, you take action, you strike like lightning in all directions. You do everything you know to do. How many of you have done that with something you want to do? Now here's the most important part, really the most important part, because this is where the magic is. The no tension is you surrender, you let go. You say this or something better. I mean, once you've done all you can do for God's sakes, what can you do? You can't, if you keep doing, it's like you're straining on the mantra, right? That's what I say. Or you're stepping on the hose. A hose that's filled, that's you turned on full blast, but you step on it, what happens, right? It can't flow. So intention, attention, the no tension part is saying this or something better. And finally, okay, I've done it. I've done as much as I can do. And then, it's time for me to let go. And what's so beautiful now, my left brain guys and women, I don't know why, because I'm not a scientist, but I get emails every day, really sincerely, every day from all over the world, from someone or lots of people that say, this changed my life. Financially, this changed my life. My health, this changed my life. My relationships. What happens when you surrender is you create what physics calls a vacuum state, where the people and the places and the things start to show up. And when you're straining and it's so tight, no energy can go through. Have you noticed that? Nothing can come in. So how can you notice the gifts that's always there if you're so completely tight? So this is the formula.